Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.